How to use LinkedIn Easy Apply step by step. To use the LinkedIn's Easy Apply feature, first things first, you simply have to go ahead and launch the LinkedIn application onto your device. Once you open it, now you simply have to go ahead and tap the jobs icon from the bottom navigation bar. Then all you have to do is now enter your target job title and location in the search bar at the top. Once you type this, you can also use the filter over here. You can find or select the date posted options. You can also select the easy apply option as well as remote. Once you do this, you simply have to now click on the listing, click on a job post that interests you. Now you simply have to tap the easy apply option over here and then complete the application form. You simply have to review contact details, upload your resume, answer screening questions, and then review and submit it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.